Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can register to be a Deliveroo driver. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I searched for how to register Deliveroo driver. I am at my PC currently. However, this same process applies for mobile phones. And yeah, I typed this into my browser and this is what popped up. As you can see, the first search is apply now, deliver with Deliveroo. Just click on that and you will be taken to this screen. Now here you see that this process might be different from October 9th. However, it should be similar enough. Here you can find the benefits that they list as a worker for Deliveroo. And you have the requirements which you need to actually apply to be a rider. Now, what you need is a vehicle, which is a scooter, bike, or car, safety equipment such as a helmet, smartphone with the required operating system version, iOS 13.6 or Android 6 and above, proof you have the right to work self-employed in the UK, and to be 18 plus age. And yeah, once you want to apply, just click on apply now, and you'll be taken to this screen. Here they ask for your main reason. Let's say none of the above. And you'll get this, which is pretty much the filler slide, which basically serves no purpose. Just click perfect, let's do it. You'll be taken to step 3, where you'll have to find your actual city where you want to work as a driver. Let's say Burnham-on-Sea. Click next and you'll be taken to this form. Well, you'll have to fill in your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and select your vehicle type. Click next and you'll be taken to another step, which is the final step. You'll fill in some other things, and once you fill that in, you will send your application. If they accept it, they'll inform you and tell you the next steps, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you guys in another video.